This segment of the video, we're just going to talk about certain stretches that definitely help with the low back. We want to get all the muscle fibers. Some of the fibers, of course, run laterally, and some run up and down, and then there's muscles on the front of the spine and also on the back of the spine. So we want to be able to get all the different types of muscles. With the stretching, there's different types. Very simple ones that most people are familiar with are bringing their knees to their chest, touching their toes. Things of that sort are going to stretch the hamstrings, but they're also going to stretch the back muscles, the ones that are going up and down. Another one that's very common for people is stretching of the low back of the fibers going crosswise, and that is done with more of a type of a twist where a lot of people will lay on their backs, let one leg come off to the side, or I've even seen it where in schools they'll call it the pretzel, where they'll put one leg over the top and they'll do a twist type of thing like this. Another stretch would be this stretch of the muscles on the front of the spine. They're done a couple different ways. Some of them, we call them a lunge. It's just to try and lengthen the muscle that's runs along here and deep on the anterior spine. It's a couple of different ways to do that. There's also another stretch that works very well. It's for the piriformis muscle, which is a muscle that runs across from the hip to the tailbone along the rear end. But stretching that muscle out causes the legs to stop flaring, decreases back pain quite a bit according to the research.